Replay. Hey everyone, welcome. It's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent couturier with Chalk Couture. As you guys come on, please make sure you say hello to me. I would love to welcome you. If you're catching me live, you will see the big red live box in the upper left-hand corner. That means you can chat right here live with me on Facebook. If you are brand new to this, please make sure you give me a number 1 in the comments. Again, I would just love to welcome you. You guys, if you are catching me on YouTube, please make sure you subscribe to my channel for all the fun, crafty videos because we just launched our brand new fall catalog, which is so exciting. And you guys, always, the greatest compliment you could give me is a share. I would love it if you would share this video as long as you're not a designer. The greatest compliment, like I said, you can give me is a chair. So, you guys, all these gorgeous things that you see around me are made using Chalk Couture products, right? Love this company, love the products. But for those of you that are new, like I said, make sure you give me a number 1. I want to tell you a little bit more about what this is. So, Chalk Couture is a DIY home decor business where you're not going to find our products anywhere else except through designers like myself. And I have to tell you, the line that just came out for the fall season, you guys, has blown me away. We are like a one-stop craft store. It's amazing. Now, we do offer these super cool silkscreen reusable transfers. We have our Chalkology chalk paste, and then we have our couture inks. We do offer several services like the chalkboards, box wood frames. We have canvas pillowcases. We came out with some amazing, beautiful new surfaces for the fall season. Hey, Gretchen, welcome. Thanks for popping on. And then we do have all the tools that you need to create these DIY home decor products. So I'll be showing you those today in the video. But the greatest thing that I can offer to you, you guys, is this home business opportunity. Let me tell you, I joined Chalk Couture in November of 2017, and it was one of the best decisions I have ever made. I love this company. I love our products that we offer, and we are just growing not only business-wise, but like product-wise. And we haven't even begun to touch the surface of what's going to be coming out. So when I say we are going to be that DIY home decor store that you can shop from, you are going to be able to do that with just Chalk Couture. I swear to you, these products are just amazing. We are available in the US for $99, and then we are also available in Canada for $129. So super amazing opportunity. And you guys, if you want to make sure that you do catch me live, all you need to do is text @chalk to me to 81010 to subscribe. Hey Crystal, welcome. Haven't seen you in a while. Hope you're doing okay. But if you just text that, you're just going to get on my subscription list. You'll get a text letting you know when I go live, and then you'll be able to catch me right here on my Facebook page. Oh, thanks so much for sharing, girl. You're the best. Thank you so, so much. So, you guys, today's project, truthfully, is going to be short and sweet. I'm not going to lie to you. You guys saw I posted this picture yesterday. So, let me just tell you. Like the last couple days has been, and I hate saying this, hey Nancy, welcome, has been cray-cray. Like it has been total cray-cray. It's so funny because I sent friends to my picture with the word cray-cray, like in a candy bar, and I said that should totally be above my heads. Oh, Crystal, I hear ya, loud and clear. Gotcha. I haven't seen you, and I'm like, what happened? So been kind of cray-cray. Yesterday, I kind of just like, I took a step back and I was like, okay, I gotta take time for just to clear my head. You know what I'm saying? So I like to go in my garage and use my scroll saw sometimes, or just try to create things with wood pieces that I have in there. And literally, like, I had this idea in my hand, but in like a much bigger size. So my plan for the holidays is to do something like this, but much bigger. But it's just a cute little gnome. So if you guys happen to have gone online. Oh, awesome, Denise. Cool, cool. Hey, thank you for sharing. We came out with a really, really cute, and like we have all been asking for this design. It is a gnome transfer. And you know how cute gnomes are in today's world, in the holiday season. And you know I'm not going to find this right now, right? So this is our new catalog that we came out with. But long story short, wait. Did I find it? We came out with this really cute gnome. There's our nutcrackers, which they're super cute too. I don't know if I'm going to find it. This is the amazing holiday catalog. So I thought it was towards the back. And I just thought, you know what? I just think gnomes are super cute. And I just wanted to create one out of wood. But like I said, my plan is for this to be a lot bigger. And like I said, this was totally done just freehand. Like I drew it, I cut it out, because that's how I like get out of my zone. Like I like to read at night sometimes. And I read a lot of like, you know, inspirational books, things like that. But when it's throughout the day and I need to go like have a time out for myself, I go and I cut wood. So this was what I did. And I just thought it's super cute, but you know, you got to chalk on it, right? So it's a good day. I'm going to chalk on this. It's going to be super quick and I hope you guys love it. So you guys, literally, this is just 1/4 by 12 inch. Well, this was a whole big piece of wood, but it's 1/4 inch basic plywood. It's birch plywood, by the way. So that's what this is that I used to cut out on my scroll saw, because it's easier for me to use this than thicker wood. I painted it with acrylic paints, and then I did wax my surface. Again, because I painted it with acrylic, it's a wooden surface, I always wax. And I use the Minwax finishing paste in natural, okay? So as you can see, we have the red, took my edges, sanded it down, waxed my surface, so we are ready to go. Oh, Gretchen, that's so awesome. So you might love this. So I am just going to do a pattern. So truthfully, I wanted to do a polka dot pattern, but unfortunately, this is my polka dot pattern. And I couldn't seem to figure out which side was left and right because I cut mine all apart. But the polka dot pattern is the same size as this one. So since I have a full size herringbone, I'm just going to use it. But you know what would also be super cute? Hey, Sandy, welcome. We have a brand new buffalo plaid in a smaller check. That would be super cute over this, but mine won't be here until Friday. So I'm just going to go with this because I figured it'll work. So this transfer, you guys, has been used already. Like I said, all of our transfers are reusable. You usually get anywhere from 8 to 10 uses out of one transfer, so you can create over and over again. But you always want to make sure you write on the back of your transfers. And then all I'm going to do is flip it over and remove the carrier sheet from the transfer. Okay? So I'm going to set this aside because I don't need it right now. I'm not going to do anything on his nose and beard. I'm only going to do his hat and his body. And truthfully, I am just going to lay this whole thing right over this. Just like that. All right. And then I'm just going to smooth this out so there are no air bubbles in my silkscreen area. Now, what I need to know from you guys is this. So for the body, I think I'm just going to go with the fresh linen. But here's my thought. I have two shimmering pastes. So I have a shimmering gold and then like we have a shimmering red. It's close to this, but it's not this one. So should I do the shimmering silver or shimmering silver and the shimmering red? I know I said gold. Oh, yoy. Shimmering silver and shimmering gold or red on the hat, or should I just do the fresh linen on the bottom and a shimmering gold or shimmering silver on the hat? Oh, Lordy. Sorry, you guys. My colors are all messed up today. So, shimmering colors or just fresh linen on the body and then like a shimmering silver or shimmering red on the hat? What do you guys think? All shimmer, part shimmer? Give me some help because I don't know what to do. That was bad. That was bad, guys. I'm sorry. It was supposed to be funny. So while I wait for things to come up, because I know we're delayed, don't forget to share this video as long as you are not a designer, you guys. It's the greatest compliment you would give me, and I would love to tell everybody about Chalk Couture because you guys know how much I love our products. Okay, I got one shimmer. Nancy says all shimmer, right? You guys want to do all shimmer, or should I just go with a flat, like the flat color? All shimmer. Shimmer everything. Shimmer. Nancy, shimmer. All shimmer. Okay. All right. I guess we're going to go all shimmer. So, I've got this down, and everything is No air bubbles, so I think we're good there. Shimmer red hat and shimmer body. Okay, got it. All right, you guys, I am going to stir up my chalk paste. Now, our chalk paste, you guys know, it comes in over 38 different colors. They are water-soluble and semi-permanent. So, if you ever want to make anything permanent, you do need to seal it. And I recommend a Krylon sealer in clear. Okay, you can get this at any local craft store. If you don't seal it, you just don't want to get it soaking wet. That's all. Other than that, it stays on, doesn't come off. Let me just show you real quick for those of you that are new. And like I said, if you're new, make sure you drop a 1. We'd love to welcome our new members. But this is what it is once something is on a design and you don't seal it. You can touch it, feel it, rub it. It's not coming off unless I soak that with some water. Okay? Just so you can see that. I'm just opening my paste. Da, da, da. And what's today? Happy Wednesday, you guys. Happy Wednesday. It's a good day. We're chalking away. We don't know what we're going to do. All the puns are all coming out today, you guys. All the puns. My husband just came home, so I know he probably wants to go to the gym today because we didn't go yesterday. All right, let's get started. So all I'm going to do, now like I said in the beginning of the video, we have all these different tools, you guys. We have your squeegees. We have your stir sticks. We have your chalk paste. Everything you need to create these products or projects. Just going to dip my squeegee right in there. Get some on there. And then I am just going to pull that across my silk screen. Now, something I will say. I probably don't need to do this whole thing because I do have to put his beard on. But it's okay. I'm going to just go with it. Only because I don't want anything to show underneath and it not have something on it, right? I hope you guys like my little gnome. He's super cute. I can't wait to cut out more. I will be having the gnome kits available for sale in my VIP group once I get my pattern down for the holidays. So if you are interested in being a part of that, just comment VIP and I will be selling some of the kits so that you can create your own. I'll be selling the cutouts is what I'll be doing. All right, and then you guys can pick whatever pattern you want right online. All right, so we got that done. Squeegee's going right in the water because you can always reuse that. I'm going to go ahead and do my hat. Just pulling that across the silk screen. I'm trying to concentrate because I can't see. I don't want to miss any parts. Scraping that across the silk screen. Almost done. Oh, Gretchen. He's going to be cute, right? All right, you guys. Let's do our peel and reveal. Putting that right in my water. Let's see how this turns out. Oh, oh, oh. Right on my Chalk Couture sign, you guys. Check that out. Oh my gosh, super, super cute, right? I just need to find a spot I can stick my finger on. Ta-da! All right, so this transfer, you guys, is going to go right in my water, right over here. And I like to fold mine in half non-adhesive side together. And that's how I put it in my little tub of water off to the side. And now I need a towel for my fingers. Sorry, guys. But looky how cute. See, I definitely didn't want it to be like super bold, so it turned out perfect. So now I'm going to hit this with my hair dryer. Just to make the drying process speed up, you guys. It really, the chalk paste only takes a few minutes to dry. But just for time purposes and Facebook Live, I'm just going to go ahead and use my hair dryer. And I like to use my hair dryer on hot. Just so y'all know that. Like, I'm thinking this would be really, really cute. And just like a little bigger size for the holidays for you to like put on your mantle type of a thing. All right, so you would obviously, you could use a hot glue gun, okay? I'm just going to use some little glue dots that I have here. Truthfully, that's what I'm using. I know you guys are probably like, what? But I'm using little glue dots on the back. It's just easier for me right this second. So I'm just putting some little glue dots back here. Easy peasy. I would recommend a glue gun. I just don't know where I put mine. Don't know where I put it, and that's fine. So I'm just taking my little dots, putting it on the back, and then I'm going to set this right on there. Just like that. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing for his beard. Look how cute he's turning out, you guys. And like I said, this is just something easy peasy to use our products with. I mean, obviously we have more in-depth designs, but this I thought was just something cute, and that's why I love that we have like just patterns, because you can do different things with them, right? Just like that. So I've got all these little glue dots, and let me take all my little stickers off of those. My gosh, can you guys believe that like the days are just like flying by? Okay. Got my little glue dots there. I'm going to stick him here. It's my little beard, right? Just like that. And then the last little piece is his nose, you guys. And that's it. It is that cute and easy to create DIY home decor. Anybody can do this, right? And look at how cute the little accent turned out. I'm glad we went with the shimmer. I think it really adds to it, especially if you're looking for something for the holiday. Oops. So like I said, all I did was use my little glue dots for that. And there's our little gnome, you guys. Look how cute. Do you see how great the pattern looks, especially in the light? It was that easy peasy. So you guys, like I said, I will be making this the gnome cutouts available in my VIP group once I get them down pat. This was just a test run to see what you guys think. I hope you like it. So if you are interested in being a part of my VIP group, if you're not already, just comment VIP and I'll make sure you get the link. Again, no designers. Sorry about that, you guys. And then other than that, you guys, thanks so much for tuning in and watching this cute little fun, easy project using Chalk Couture products. Like I said, I used our chalk paste in the shimmering silver, and then I would use shimmering red. I used our herringbone transfer, our mini squeegees, and our stir sticks. So you guys, thanks again so much for tuning in. I hope you loved this. If you thought our products were super cool and you want to share this with a friend, just please share my video. Again, it's the greatest compliment you can give me. All right, you guys. Oh, yay, Gretchen. I'm so glad you love it. Thank you, Sandy. Aw, thank you guys so much. And I will be chalking with you later, guys. Have a great day.